Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. This is the series of lecture number 4 of corporate law. In last lecture, we were discuss about the kinds of companies in Pakistan, in which we were studied about the nature of companies and kinds of companies according to the Companies Act 2017. So, today's our topic is formation and registration of companies. It is a purely the practical topic. First for all, objectives of today's topic is: number 1, explain step by step the process of formation of company in Pakistan. Number 2, identify the documents required for incorporation. Number 3, understand the legal and procedural requirements imposed by the Security and Exchange Commission of Pakistan regarding registration of a company. Number 1, legal framework. Company formation in Pakistan is governed by the Companies Act 2017. Regulating authority is SCCP. Number 2, key steps in formation of company. Now, we discuss step by step the formation of a company. Step number 1, name reservation. First for all, you have to propose the name of a company which must submit through e-service portal of SCCP to search the name which you proposed. SCCP check for its uniqueness, compliance with naming guideline, no use for prohibited or misleading words. This is the first step. Searching of name. Proposed name, you have to submit to the SCCP, and SCCP search whether this name is appropriate or not. Step number 2, preparation of incorporation documents. So, document number 1 is Memorandum of Association. As already we have know about, the Memorandum of Association is the constitutional document of a company. It provides objectives, powers and scope of a company, why the company will be formed. Number 2 document is Article of Association. Article of Association is the rules of a company which contains internal rules regarding management, meetings, votings. Can adopt SCCP's model Article of Association with modification. There is one thing is very much important. Memorandum of Association cannot be altered easily. However, the Article of Association can be altered time to time, because these are the rules and Memorandum of Association are the Constitution. Constitution cannot be amended easily, but the rules can be amended time to time. Next, number 3rd document is CNIC copies of directors and subscribers. Number 4 document is Form 29. Form 29 is a document which pertains the names and addresses of first directors of a company. It is a fundamental document of a company. Number 5 is Form 21. Form 21 is also most important document which consists the registered office of a company. Registered office of a company means the office in which the company's business will be start. Next, number 6 document is Declaration Compliance, जिसे हम Form 1 कहते हैं. The directors of the company must give certificate regarding Form 1. Next, special documents for certain types. Number 1, SMC company. SMC means single member company, in which only one document is nominee details. In Section 42 company, license application to the SCCP. Number 3, submission and incorporation. Now, you have to complete all above mentioned documents which I was explained to you. All documents submitted to the SCCP through e-service portal. Digital signatures and online fee payment required. Upon the approval of the SCCP, SCCP office must incorporate the company and issue a certificate. The certificate is called Certificates of Incorporation and assign you a company universal identification number, जिसे हम CUIN number कहते हैं, which is a registered number and it explains it's identify that it's a conclusive evidence that your company is registered in the SCCP. So next is number 4, post incorporation requirements. Incorporation तो हो गई, उसके बाद क्या करना है? Number 1, opening of company account in any bank. Registration with FBR for national tax number, NTN जिसे हम कहते हैं. Number 3 is maintenance of statutory registers. These registers are very important for the company's purpose, and the registers are number 1, register of members, register of directors, register of charge. Next are printings of company. Printing of company, the company must have its own common seal, letterhead pads, invoices, and these invoices, these letterhead pads, these common seals identify the CUIN number and registered address of a company. Number 5th, digital company formation. इसे हम फास्ट ट्रैक कंपनी फॉर्मेशन भी कहते हैं. SCCP offers fast track registration service, FTRS. If you have to go on the portal of SCCP and click about the FTRS, you have to you have to submit the company form in 4 hours. The process time is 4 hours. In 4 hours, you have to reserve your company's name and incorporation. This type of method encourages to ease of doing business in the Pakistan. Next, role of professionals. In companies, role of professionals are very important. In complex cases, which I have already studied about, Section 42 company, lawyers and chartered accountants are very much important roles to formation of or incorporation of a company, because they assist the drafting of memorandum of association, article of association, compliance of audits, and SCCP licensing. Lastly, some reasons are very important for rejection of SCCPs, या rejection of your incorporation. First reason is, number one, duplicate or offensive company name. Meaning thereby, you have to propose a name of a company which already registered in an SCCP. So, your application must decline. Number two, incomplete documentation. I have already studied or explained about the documents, step 1, step 1, step 2, step 3. These all documents are important and necessary for incorporation of the company. If you have not complete documentation, your application must be rejected. Next, number third, non-compliance with SCCP checklist. SCCP must provide you a checklist. You must comply this checklist. If you not comply with the checklist, your application must be rejected. And the last is conflict with existing trademarks. Trademarks are very important. Trademark mean similarity. You have to, if you have submit a name which is not same but similar, your application must be rejected. Now, the example regarding case law. The case is Tech Pulse SMC Private Limited is very important in Pakistan. It is a one-member company, promoter one individual, its objective software development and IT services. Timeline 2 days using SCCP e-service portal, post-registration FBR, NTN, bank account, tax registration. So, your company must be formed. Now, you have to assign an assignment. You have search SCCP website and calculate and download all the documents which I have studied about: memorandum, articles, Form 1, Form 10, Form 21, and incorporation of company. We will discuss in detail about these documents. Thank you very much.